Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the capacitor in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver and a pair of side cutters. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new capacitor. The capacitor is mounted on the side near the compressor. It allows the compressor to run easily with less amperage draw at the motor windings. If your fridge seems to be working but is not cooling at all, check if the compressor runs, and if not, test the start relay and the compressor overload, and if they are good, replace the capacitor. We will start with removing the water valve cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the screw out. The cover has tabs on both sides. Push the sides in to unlock the tabs, turn the cover and release it. To get to the part, we need to remove the rear access panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the screws that hold the cover and remove it. Slide the cover away. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the wires from the old capacitor terminals. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the screw and remove the old capacitor. This is the old capacitor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The terminals on the old capacitor are horizontal. The new capacitor has vertical terminals. So we need to separate the wires. Using the side cutters, I'm going to cut the plug in half. All right. This way we can put them on. Install the new capacitor, match the holes, and secure it with a single Phillips screw. Now install the two wires on the new capacitor terminals. The order is not important. Install the rear access panel, secured with the Phillips screws. Snap on the water valve cover and secure it with a Phillips screw. Plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.